So guys, we got a 2017 Subaru Outback here, and you can't turn the wheel, like it's hard to turn. I mean really hard to turn. And it gives us this torque sensor sub and torque sensor much taller. So guys, scan the car. I got this torque sensor sub current after I cleared it, like I started it up and turned the wheel and then it's set. And this torque sensor much tolerance. So I'm gonna look these codes up, see what they mean, and then we'll go from there. Sorry, it's hard to see. Let's see. Here's the codes. Hopefully that's a little better. It's not the best lighting, sun's to my back. So guys, I tried looking up the C2512. Oh wait, I typed that in wrong. Maybe we'll get something for the 12. But the C, let's go back. So the C2513 much tolerance says that when the torque sensor main / sub output voltage failure is detected after ignition switch is on, and it tells you to come check this. So it looks like we're just dealing with the torque sensor. And then let's see what this one is. OEM testing. When torque sensor output, same thing. Or did I look up the same code twice? No, I did look up different ones. Okay, so we're gonna go after this torque sensor. Gives me a nice diagram here of what to look at. So we're gonna check it real quick. So guys, the torque angle sensor, or whatever, torque sensor is right here, this B451 right here. Like, it's a little confusing because it looks like it's at the front of the car, but it's actually on the steering rack by the looks of it. So we're gonna go under and look at it. So let me show you this. So we're gonna go underneath the car here. Let's see if we can do this. So, see if we can get you guys a shot on that. So there you guys go. That's the problem. Sorry about that, I accidentally flipped the camera around and it stopped recording. But they need a torque, I guess they just need the torque angle sensor, looks like. So, hope you guys like this. It's pretty interesting. Power visual inspection. No diagnostic equipment needed. Grab my test light and my scan tool, and we're done. See you later.